Hello beauties, this is Wangali with Two Chic Chicks here to bring you a video today. Well, our video is going to be on some of my top hairstyles that I wear, my fave hairstyles that I love wearing. And if you want to know what those hairstyles are, keep on watching. Well, we're going to just go ahead and jump into this. And I just want to say thank you guys. Oh my gosh, I have gotten so many new followers. And I just want to tell you guys, thank you so much for coming on. I really appreciate it. And I look forward to, just sharing more time with you guys. So thank you for that. Just want to make sure I brought that in, that we have a bunch of new people. Well, I just want to come on and just, like I said, talk about a little bit of some of the hairstyles that I have been wearing. And I'm only going to touch on like the last few years. I'm not going to go too far back because I have had some hairstyles in my days. But these are the ones that I constantly keep gravitating to and going back to over and over again. Well, I am a person that loves versatility when it comes to my hair. I love to be able to wear it straight, curly, wavy, and now braided. Never thought I would say that. I do like braids. And I'm going to start with that hairstyle. Well, last year was the first time I've ever received braids as an adult. As a kid, you got your hair French braided and everything. That was fine as a kid. And I didn't do that too often because I just didn't care for the hairstyles, So I didn't care for my hair being braided, honestly. And, lately I was like, I'm gonna give it a try. And then I started thinking with the gray hair, I really didn't want to, but let me show you. I tell you, as you'll see, I'll be popping up pictures of these hairstyles, but here you will see me with my hair braided. Yes, I am gonna do it again. I love the versatility. And as my husband called me when I walked in the door, oh, hello, Rashida. So I had an alternate person. So he really did end up liking the braids. He didn't want me to get them braids, but he ended up liking them in the end. And I'm gonna tell you, I really did enjoy them. So I will try my hand at doing it again, but this time when I take them down, I'm going back and getting them taken down professionally. I will not be taking them down. And I'm gonna try knotless this time. So I'm not sure when I'm gonna do it. I have to let my relaxer grow out. Recently I put in one maybe about a month ago. So I have to let that, gradually. I need quite a bit of new growth for myself since I have relaxed hair. So I'm gonna let my hair grow out a little bit and then I'm gonna go and get my hair relaxed. So that is one hairstyle I am loving and I will be definitely doing again. Now, my top all hairdo, I am a short hair girl. I love short hair. I am a short hair girl. I said it. Did you hear me? I love short hair. That's my fave. I started wearing short hairstyles back when I got married. We came back from my honeymoon. I went straight to the salon and got my hair completely cut. Taken off. And my husband was like, seriously? But yeah, and I have grown it out from time to time. I never go back as long. I don't go past like right here at my neck. I stop there. That's as far as I want to go, is right here. But short hair is my favorite. I can manage my short hair better, as you see in these photos here. I like to wear my short hair, all kinds of ways. Because even in short hair, I wore it curly. I just use perm rods with that. I wore it straight. I used to wear it with a big flip back. The front part would be flipped back. I just wore it. I loved it. It required a little bit more maintenance, but I was fine. I was able to maintain my own hair for the most part. I just always had to make sure I went back to my stylist. Now that's one thing I will say. I always go to my stylist for my cuts. I never tried trying to cut my own hair at all. So I've always went back to my stylist, and I've been with my stylist 22 years, maybe 21, 22 years. So I always go back to her and she cuts my hair, and I'm always happy with her cutting it. So that's one thing I always say with a short haircut, you always have to go back to the stylist, unless you know how to cut your own hair. That's something I have no interest in, trying to cut my hair. But yes, I love short hair. It is just a different flavor for me. I think it is sassy. Oh my gosh, short hair with a turtleneck in the winter. Do you not look sassy? Oh my gosh, I just think it's did I say I love short hair? Okay, y'all got it. I love short hair, as you see. Okay, my next hairstyle. And this hairstyle for me is probably my #1 hairstyle. And it is the bob. I can do the bob, and I can take it curly, I can take it straight, I can take it wavy. I can do the bob. If I let my hair grow out, most likely my haircut is gonna be a bob. A bob is so sophisticated, no matter how you wear it. Now, my favorite length for my bob is definitely right here at my chin, as you will see. I love to keep it at my chin. Most of the time, I will have it cut higher up in the back, so it has a nice little angled swing to it. And I love to keep it no further than under my chin. Right there is, or right under the earlobe, and then go to the chin. They're my two little lengths, they're my favorite lengths right there of having a bob. Right now, I might be about right here in my bob, but I like to keep it really under my ear or right here cut at my chin. Beautiful. Oh my gosh. It is so sophisticated. You can wear your hair back. It looks good. You can wear your hair curly. It looks good. You wear your hair straight, it looks good. You wear your hair wavy, it looks good. As you see in these pictures, the majority of the hairstyle comes from me having that cut. Just that one cut, which is the bob cut. That's it. I love the look. I love how I can transform the look. I taking it back sleek and then put it behind your ear. Y'all talk to me. Oh, I love it. So it is very versatile having a bob. Now, I have gone longer, and it's been a long time since I've been long, a very long time. And for me now, long is just basically stopping right here, right across here. I just need to stop. Right now, I'm at that point of, I don't know what I want to do. I want to go back short so bad, but I went ahead and grew my hair out this time so I can have a little versatility with hairstyles, so I can show you guys more. Right now, I got a nice little ponytail I can do. Believe it or not, I got a nice little pony now, and it is not like this, it's about like that now. So I can even tie it in a small little knot though in the back. But I love wearing my hair straight. I love wearing it slick right now. I've been doing a lot of slick wear. I've been putting it like pointed down the middle, pulling it back, and tying it, in a little small little knot as much as I can. And I like taking the part to the left or to the right, whichever way. I love doing that. And I just been having a good time. Now, the problem with me is once my hair starts to grow more, I am so more prone to popping it into a ponytail. And I don't like to do that, or in a bun. And I like to wear my hair out. So I like my hair to move. That's one thing about me in a hairstyle. I don't care what hairstyle it is, I don't care how short my hair is, I don't care how long it is. It must move. It cannot sit still. Whatever hairstyle I get has to be able to move. If the wind blows, I want you to see my hair move in the wind. I want to see it. I want it to move. For the most part, I love wearing curls. Curls, and more curls. I do a rod set curl. I do, when my hair is a little longer, I'll go ahead and do a flexi rod curls. What I have learned recently, I'm gonna tell you natural hair girls, y'all done put it on the map. Thank you so much. You put it on the map for a girl. Doing them Bantu knots. Now I'm still learning the Bantu knots because I come out a little frizzier, but I'm still working my way through them. So it's a trial. I'm working on it, but for the most part, I love it. Hairpins, because I do have to use hairpins on some. Some of it I can just tie around and it stay knotted up, but sometimes I have to put a little hairpin in some of them. But I love it. You pull it down, you pull it loose. You have the coil like with the spring curl. That is beautiful. Love it. I love the Bantu knots. Now I did do a video on the Bantu knots I did before, and those I twisted them, do a 2-strand twist, then I Bantu knotted. I gotta work on that one too. But lately I did this. I just did the Bantu knot, just took it, Bantu knotted, and I like that better. That had more spring and more coil for me. I did them a little smaller too. That way I had more, curl to it. But you go to sleep so easy because, I done told y'all, I do my hair at night, I go to bed, wake up in the morning, I finish it. So being able to sleep on it, I have to sleep on the roll. I didn't have to try to sleep cute. I had it. It just worked. And I'm like, them natural hair girls got this. Man, I'm taking some more pointers. So I really do like it, but I'm gonna try to finesse it better and work with it. And then I'll be more than happy to come back on here and show you a video on relaxed hair with Bantu knots. So I like that. And I just, like I said, for me, it's all about versatility. Having that versatility to be able to do what I want with my hair in different styles, but more than anything, I need convenience, easy maintenance, and carefree. That's all I need in a hairstyle. That's what I need. But my number one way, no matter what length my hair is, the number one way I wear my hair is the wrap. Hands down, the all-time favorite, the easiest. You can wear the wrap on every hair length, any kind of way. It is so good. I can do it heatless. I can go up under the dryer. I can put rollers, then wrap it. The wrap. I don't care how many other hairstyles I done in between. I can come back, wrap my hair, and it falls down just as beautiful. But that is the most easiest and versatile way. 9 out of 10, if you see my hair straight, it's being wrapped. I wrap it at night, tie it down, get up in the morning, comb it down, get to go. What easier way to have a hairstyle? But nevertheless, I love the wrap. All-time favorite, hands down, easiest to work with. Carefree. No matter what, you got a hairstyle. It works for you. It works. Curly hair works. As it loosen up, it gets, I love it the older it gets. It just looks effortless once it gets older. Oh my gosh, effortless. So I hope you enjoyed looking at some of these hairstyles today that I enjoy. They're just simple hairstyles. It doesn't take a lot of maintenance. I do not have time for the fluff or fuss. I love them. They're carefree. And I guess I'll be continue wearing them. So thank you all so much for taking the time out, sharing your day with me. I hope you guys are doing well. We are still, most cities are starting to open up some. Here in Atlanta, yeah, they have opened up. Yeah, I will still say to you, stay safe. I would definitely say stay safe. I'm not running out to the restaurants. I'm not doing any of that. I am fine. I am enjoying this. So you guys just stay safe out there no matter what. You go out, do wear a mask. Please continue to wear your mask. They still don't have a vaccine. And there still is what? No cure. So you all just be safe out there and keep your head up. I hope today's video helped you out with that. Well, I thank you guys for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thank you guys. Bye-bye.